why those
Hey
things
everyone,
mean so
welcome to
much
my
to me.
channel. Please like and subscribe.
Tune in again on my channel. Don't forget that I took a little break from here maybe a while back for you, and I bet you're curious about it all. I spent some great time in Arizona with my buddy Tim. It was more than just a fun time, it was a chance to bond and create memories we'll cherish for the rest of our lives. Now, you might be like, why does Rocky mean so much to me? Well, let me fill you in on a little secret. Tim isn't just any friend, he's one of a kind. He's all about unique experiences and getting to know things that people usually don't have time for. He's even started his own YouTube channel, showcasing his passion for cool and one-of-a-kind homes and cars. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive right into it. Here are some of the latest cool channels you should check out. First up is My First Built Home on Earth. This channel is all about showing off unique and one-of-a-kind homes made from the ground up. If you're into all things unconventional and love exploring the less disturbed spaces out there, this channel is perfect for you. Next is My First Built Home on Earth. This channel features unique homes made from scratch. If you're into all things unconventional and love exploring the less disturbed spaces, this channel will show you all the action. Last but definitely not least, we're going to talk about Derek Klinge's channel, An American Builder in Australia. This guy hails from the USA but calls home in Australia. He's got a knack for building amazing homes and telling us the story of how he turns one of the freshest and most stunning houses in Queensland into reality. And that's it, folks. These are just a few of the amazing faceless channels you can find out there. If you share Tim's passion for cool homes and cars, you can't miss them out. I really want to thank you all for being with me on this amazing journey through the world of unique homes and cars. Just hit like if you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe if you want more content like this in the future. Take care and stay safe.